Hello friends, Namaskar. I am Grijesh Kumar with a new video based on parts of speech from which today we are going to learn about kinds of pronoun. Here, first part of pronoun is personal pronoun. For example, I, we, you, he, me, her, them, etc. Here, some rules of pronoun are as follows. Rule number A: if a pronoun acts as a subject of a verb, it is in nominative case or subjective case, and if it acts as an object of a verb, it is in objective case. Nominative cases are we, you, he, she, it, they. Next, objective case: me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Rule number B: a pronoun is used in objective case after let. For example, let him and me do this. Example number 2, let her and us go. Rule number C: a pronoun is used in objective case after a preposition. For example, number 1, she was angry with you and him. Example number 2, they laughed at her and me. Next rule is rule number D. Nominative case is used after than if the comparison is between two nominatives. For example number 1, as a student of science, you are far better than. Example number 2, she drives faster than I. Next rule is rule number E. Objective case is used after than if the comparison is between two objects. For example, she loves you more than me. Example number 2, I know her better than him. Next rule, rule number F. Good manners requires that the order of personal pronouns in a sentence should be 2, 3, 1. That is, the second person should come before the and third person before the first. For example number 1, you and I must work together. Example number 2, you and he will follow it. Example number 3, you, he and I are going to Delhi. Friends, here a note is given for you. While referring to unpleasant act or accepting guilt or mistake, the order of personal pronouns in a sentence should be 1, 2, 3. For example number 1, I, you and he have stolen the money. Example number 2, I and you will be punished. That's all for this video. If you like this video, press like button, and if you get any benefit from this video, you should subscribe my channel to get notification as soon as you wish. Thank you once again.